Once upon a time there was a cat called Whisker who barked instead of meowing. Whiskers runs to fetch a stick but picked up a pancake. Lily laughed while running after Whiskers. Whiskers tries to dig in the kitchen floor. Little Lily laughed while spilling cereal. Whiskers crashes into a flower. Attempts to roll over and knock over a flower pot. Whisker sneaks into a dog parade. Wagging tail dogs look confused. Tiny dog jumps on Whiskers' back. He prances like a float horse. Whiskers climb onto the float to save a small dog. Crowd cheers. Whiskers curls up beside Lily in backyard, tried but happy.